Where are conversation transcripts in Copilot Studio stored? How long are they stored? And how can we change the retention settings? In this video, we'll cover all these topics. We'll look into the conversation transcripts table and the default length, change this in advanced settings. So what is the conversation transcripts table? This is a table that has all the agent interactions. So each time a user writes a message or speaks to an agent, you get the conversation captured with the conversation ID, with the contents, and all of this is stored in this table. So what you need to see this table is you either need bot transcript viewer role, or I also think environment admin gives you access to the environment you're currently working in. And of course, Power Platform admin will have access to this. So one thing to know here is that Dataverse for Teams environments and developer environments and M365 Copilot, the agents environment, which lives in the Power Platform also, is not recorded for those environments. So if you want to export this table as a CSV, you just have to navigate to your home make.power apps, and from there you just find the table and export data. So this is quite simple. You just navigate here and find tables, and if this is your first time, you just conversation, you will not find it first, but you just have to move to all, and the table is here, conversation transcript tables. So what you can do is you just export it from here and export data. I will not do that for now, but that's something you can do. And there are a lot of fields in this table. You have the content field, which is JSON format, raw activity of the log. So let's just take a look at one of them so that you see what the content field has. So this is a typical content field, which has the conversation info, it has the ID, it has the channel ID. As you can see here, channel ID, it's a autonomous agent, trigger the agent flow and follow the instructions. So there is a lot of data here. And usually when you hit 1 megabyte of data inside there, these will be split into two different conversations or rows in Dataverse, so that but again, the conversation start time and the name will be the same. So that's the content. The start time is as it is, it's just the start time. You have the conversation transcript, which is the GUID of the row in Dataverse, the metadata. This is agent ID, tenant name, and the batch ID. And the name is just a custom row name for the conversation ID and the bot ID. So this is something you can go and just check yourself. So one thing to note here is that if the conversation is usually saved after 30 minutes of inactivity. So if the user resumes after 30 minutes, a new record is created. So that user has been inactive, and then we create a new one. So we have already looked at the content field. There is message activities, and we have already seen this. So one thing that is important to mention here is that if you do the enhanced transcripts, you will get node level data. So you will get, let's say you have a tool which is running, or a topic that's running a tool, you will get more information in here. And with more information, I mean that you get the node type, you get the start time, end time, and the node ID. So if the node, for example, sends an activity, you get to see this. And also if it such and summarizes content, you will get to see the node too. How to turn this on? You have to navigate to one of your Copilot Studio agents and then go to settings. Let's just do that quickly here. So I have my expense claim agent here. It's a really cool agent. Just go to settings. And from here, what I can do is I can go to advanced and enhanced transcripts. So once I turn this on, the transcripts will be enhanced, and I will get node level details in the transcripts. That was that. But if we need to, yeah, this is the Copilot Studio Kit. You can set up the Copilot Studio Kit, and you will get the conversation KPI based on this. So this is the most important part. How do we change the retention period? So if your company has more than 30 days of retention, we need to change this. So how we change this? You just navigate to one of your environments. So let's say this is my default environment. What you need to do is go to advanced settings. And once you're in here, this is, I think I will get a new version of this. So once you're in here, you need to find data management, which is in the system. So this is data management, and we need to look at where is it? We need to look at bulk deletion jobs. Where is bulk deletion? Am I blind? Bulk delete record was straight right in front of my eyes, but yeah, these glasses are probably not working anymore. And you can check the recurring bulk deletion system jobs. From here, you will see bulk delete conversation transcripts older than 1 month. And from here, I will not do this with you, but you can cancel this and then create a new one that looks for the conversation transcript and also conversation, then choose the conversation start time and make it as long as you want to be. So what you need to also choose is the schema type, which is equals to Power Virtual Agents. That is important to choose. So I will not do this in my tenant, but once you start doing this, remember this will consume Dataverse storage. So make sure that you have a plan on how to do this. And here I can cancel it. So I will cancel this usually and then create a new one, which will run longer than 1 month. So once you've canceled the old one, which is 30 days, you just have to create a new job. So if you've never done this before, you just go to data management again and bulk record deletion. From here, you just create a new job. And in this new job, you will be, yeah, let me just call it conversation transcript 12 months. So I will keep them for 12 months. And in here, you just choose the conversation transcripts table, and yeah, it should be new, but I will choose active for this. And the status will be conversation start time, and I want it to be older than 12 months, so I keep it to 12 months. Then I add another row, and this is the schema type. The schema type will be the Power Virtual Agents schema. So that's it. Once you're done doing this, you choose the time, you run the job after every whatever you want, but you can also email yourself, and then next, save and close. So you have created a new one, and it will be saved for 12 months.